How to translate voice message in WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily translate voice messages on WhatsApp. But before we get started, make sure to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us just jump right in. So the first thing you need to do is open up WhatsApp and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, the first step is to actually change your voice to text on WhatsApp. So WhatsApp has this built-in feature called transcribe, which you can use to transcribe any voice message to text. You can do that by going over to the three dots at the top right and then go to settings. Now, from your settings, you want to go to the chat section. And once you open it up, you can see this voice message transcripts. Go ahead and tap on this. And you can just go ahead and tap on manually to transcribe. And on the transcript language, make sure you set this to English or whichever language is the voice message sent on. Once you do that, just go back, make sure that the voice transcripts are turned on. Then you want to go to the chat where there is a voice message. And once you come over to the voice message, all you have to do is just long press on the voice message, tap on the three dots at the top right, and you can find the option to transcribe this. So go ahead and tap on transcribe. And as you can see here, the voice message has been converted into text. Now you can just copy this transcription if you'd like, and or you could just go ahead and manually type this. Now to translate it, actually, you want to go over to Google Translate. So I'll just go ahead and open it up. Now I can easily type in the text over here. So for example, if I want to translate it to Spanish, I can just tap on it and then I'll just do, "Hello, how are you doing?" And you can easily see the translation down below. So that's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Like the video down below and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one.